Hello, Eric Barrett again. Welcome to 128 Eden Rock. This is a beautiful apartment. Let's just go right out to the magic, shall we? Look at this. This is a corner apartment, so it's a condo actually, a corner condo. So you have basically two balconies, and you walk out here and you have a front seat view of the bay. It is absolutely gorgeous. You can see Angel Island, a little bit of Alcatraz in the city there as well, and then all the boats in the marina. So just absolutely gorgeous. And then you have these big windows, so even in the wintertime when it might be a little chilly, you still have this great view. So you can see here it is a L-shaped balcony, so lots of flexibility. You saw the guy next door, he has a barbecue out. So again, fantastic. Now, people have just moved out of this apartment, so it's going to be clean. The owner's going to be doing some painting. So take that with a grain of salt as you're looking at this video. So nice sink, electric range, dishwasher, and a refrigerator. Now, there's also one of the always most desired things is a washer and dryer, and that's right outside the door for your convenience. Lots of closet space right here. There's a coat rack, so when you enter into the condo, you can hang your coats. Again, all the windows have screens and window treatments. This is the bedroom. And you have a lighted closet, which is super convenient. All right, now let's go into the bathroom. Here we are, nice sink, lots of lights. I turned the lights off because the frequency of the light is playing havoc on the video camera. So we turned that off, but it's a very well lit bathroom. All right, going back out here, again, you have your kitchen, dining room, living room, and amazing view. All right, we're gonna be going out and showing you the parking, laundry room, as well as the pool now. All right, cheers. All right, just around the corner from the condo is the washer and dryer. So maybe 20 steps. And so these washer and dryer together is $250, so quite the bargain. And then lots of room to do your folding and stuff. Okay, just one level up from the condo is the pool area. So this is a gorgeous, gorgeous pool with lots of deckside seating and lounging opportunities. You have these beautiful cypress decorating it, and then you have a view, hopefully you can see that, of Mount Tam in the distance. So just unobstructed view of Mount Tam, which is absolutely gorgeous. And you're also wind protected here because you have these buildings surrounding the pool as well. So anyway, there you go, absolutely gorgeous. And we'll go to the parking spot next. All right, so the Eden Rock condominiums sit on top of a hill, which allow for us amazing views. And for apartment number 128 is super easy to get to. So you take the first left, and we're gonna get to park right underneath the unit itself, which makes everything really super convenient. Let's go. All right, so before we get to the park space, I wanna share with you your storage closet. So this is, you get number 7. And as you can see, there's lots and lots of room to store things in here. Bikes, kayaks, clothes, whatever have you. And this is yours as part of the tenancy. All right, closing this out. 128 is right here, and the parking spot for your unit is number 3, which is right below. So basically what you do is you come from your parking, go through the front doors, and look, the gentleman's already cleaning like he always does. It's a very well kept building. And you either take the elevator or the stairs and to go right to your apartment. Again, thank you very much for watching, and we'll look forward to seeing you at one of the showings.